How to remove Cameos on Snapchat. The first thing you want to do is head over to your application Snapchat and make sure you are logged into your account. Swipe right and head over to your chat section. Now let's say these are your Cameos and you want to remove it. So all you want to do is first of all go back and head over to your profile. And then tap on this gear icon at the top right. Scroll down and right here you'll get to see the option of clear data. Head over to it. Right here you'll get to see the option of clear my Cameo selfie. You need to click on it and then tap on clear. There you go, your Cameo selfie has been successfully removed. If you want to check it out, you can simply head over to any of the inbox and then tap on this emoji icon. There you can see that your Cameo selfie is not available anymore. You can create another Cameo selfie if you want to and you'll be good to go. So that's it, and this is simply how you can remove your Cameo selfie on Snapchat. I really hope this video is gonna be helpful for you. Thank you for watching it till the end.